Xiaomi got a new Pro model, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. Now this one runs Wear OS apps, which means you get all of the juicy features that you also get with the Samsung Watch or the Google Pixel Watch, and basically any other smartwatch that runs Wear OS. And I truly believe this change makes the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro the best Xiaomi smartwatch yet. So before we start with the features, let's take a quick peek at the specs and the design. So with this watch, you will get a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. You also get an always-on display mode, and in your display settings, you can either set it into a smart mode or schedule it for the day. Now on the side, you get 3 physical buttons, which will lead you through your workouts, to your recently opened apps, or to your app menu. And since this button is rotatable, you can scroll through your app menu as well. Something that you also have to know is that you can customize this button and connect it to any other application that you have on your smartwatch. So as you can see, I have the active model that comes with the black silicone strap, but there's also a silver version that will come with a brown leather strap, and both actually come in at the same price of 270 euros. Now I also have the Bluetooth version, and if you want to upgrade, you can get the LTE version as well, which will cost an extra 70 euros over here in Germany. So overall, this watch weighs in at 55 grams, it is compatible with Android smartphones, and runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset. On the top we get some pretty sharp edges and a rather flat bezel, which does look pretty nice. As for the battery life, we have a large 495 mAh battery in here that charges up in just 45 minutes. Just as a quick comparison, the new Google Pixel Watch 2 takes about 75 minutes to charge all the way up. Also, this watch lasts pretty long. The Bluetooth model will last up to 65 hours and the LTE version up to 55 hours without the always-on display mode. Now, if you enable this one, it's more or less half of that. Alright, next up we got the health tracking. Like always, we get a heart rate sensor which tracks all day and all night, and over in the Mi Fitness app, you can actually turn it off or let it just track every 10 or 30 minutes. But I would just leave it in the smart mode. Over here you can also turn on the high and low heart rate alerts. There's a sleep tracker which will only track deep and light sleep phases by default, but you can enable it to track your breathing during the night, your heart rate, and REM sleep. On this watch you will also find the blood oxygen tracker, which will track on demand, and it does look pretty cool with that blood thingy that pops up. You get breathing exercises between 1 and 5 minutes with 7 to 35 breaths. There is a stress tracker, a skin temperature tracker, and a body composition, which used to be a feature that you only get with a Galaxy Watch. Now right here you have to put your 2 fingers on the 2 side buttons, and after that you will get a few stats like your body water, your BMI, body fat, fat mass, your proteins, and even salts, and a lot more. Now we get to the activity tracking and the built-in GPS. So the GPS works better than I thought. Generally talking, Xiaomi smartwatches aren't known for the GPS, but this one is decent. It does cut corners short like most smartwatches and wobbles around from one street side to the other one, but I'm never disappearing in buildings, and it doesn't skip sections. So on the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro, you get over 150 sport modes ranging from normal stuff like walking, running, and cycling, but you also get freestyle, board games, swinging, and esports, and on all workouts you can set goals and alerts. On some you can do interval trainings like for the running and cycling workout, and activate the auto pause feature. Next up we have the smart features, and first up we gotta talk about the Google applications. So you got Google Maps on here, and you can actually start the routing from your watch and don't have to do it on your smartphone. You got the Google Wallet and the Google Play Store, which I love to see on here. With this one you can go ahead and download Spotify and other music streaming apps, or also more watch faces, WhatsApp Messenger, and other health and fitness apps. So if you have a premium account, you can go ahead and download all of your favorite tracks from Spotify right to the watch and listen to them offline. With WhatsApp, you can check out all of your chats and even respond to messages like you can do on your smartphone. And since you have a built-in mic and a speaker, you can make use of the Google Voice Assistant. You can go ahead and ask for the weather, set timers, or do some translation from one language to another one. You also have a contacts book with your contacts from your smartphone, and you can start calls right from the watch. You can also use the dial pad if you want to, or take a look in your favorites. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro also has plenty of watch faces which can be customized. And like this you can change the background color and the complication, but it always depends on which watch face you are on. In the Mi Fitness app you will find even more watch faces, and most of them are for free. You definitely got a lot of analog watch faces, but if you click on more, you will get to the Google Play Store, and right here you will get even more watch faces with different designs and styles. There are also some other small features like you get a torch, a compass, You get all of the timers, weather app, calendar, and in the app you can change the order of your tiles, remove them, or add more to the rotation. And guys, there we have it. That's the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. If you liked that video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. And I guess with that one being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.